Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-coated marshmallows. Easy method. Melt chocolate gently over simmering water and stir until smooth, then skewer marshmallows and dip fully. Let excess drip back into the bowl, place on parchment, and add sprinkles or nuts while chocolate is still soft. Chill briefly to set the coating, then serve or store in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Gather ingredients and tools before you start so the process feels calm and organized. Chop chocolate into uniform pieces for even melting and use a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Keep a plate with toppings nearby so you can decorate quickly after dipping. Maintain low heat to avoid seizing and stir frequently for a glossy finish that sets well at room temperature. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: I'm loving the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading during kitchen breaks, and it pairs surprisingly well with snack time. Check the description for the link and current deals. Your support keeps recipes coming, and sharing helps others discover these easy treats. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Skewer each marshmallow and dip confidently, coating evenly while avoiding air bubbles. Rotate gently to get a smooth finish and tap the skewer edge to remove drips before placing the marshmallow on parchment. Work quickly with toppings, pressing lightly so they stick, and keep the chocolate warm between batches to prevent hardening. Once set, store treats in a cool, dry place and bring to room temperature before serving for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.